I'm very happy that actually we have been succeeding. I will go a bit step back to explain that actually we will simplify the instrument in the new MFF. So altogether, when I was speaking before, 42.6 million, it is for enlargement and Eastern Partnership and the rest of Europe. And in the new, with the new MFF, we will merge several existing instruments which have been actually putting into action in a different time frames, like Indiki Global Europe, then it was IPA 3, then we had Ukraine facility, growth plan for Western Balkan, and growth and plan for Moldova. So now we will put this all together. The new MFF is not dividing the money, or will not. We have to wait what will be the results after 2 years of negotiations, but as we see it now, it is not divided into the countries.